Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened Logic Pro X and added a software instrument track. Now load Battery 4 as the instrument. Once the plugin window appears, make sure to select either a preset kit or an empty cell bank so you can audition and assign samples immediately. You're starting with source material rather than endless menus. Load a cell by dragging a sample or choosing from Battery's browser. This gives you instant audio to shape, and it keeps your session responsive while you begin routing and mapping. Now map and sculpt. Drag samples into cells and set their root note and key range so they play correctly across a MIDI keyboard. Once loaded, edit each cell's amplitude envelope, filter cutoff, and LFO for movement. These controls shape attack, decay, and tonal character, which is why you tweak them early. Then route individual cells to separate battery outputs to process in Logic's mixer with compression, EQ, or bus sends. This workflow preserves clarity and gives you precise control when arranging and mixing. Finish by recording MIDI parts and using velocity or note lanes to trigger different cell layers for dynamics. This is how you turn a static kit into a musical performance. Once done, automate battery parameters in Logic to create evolving textures and save CPU by freezing tracks if needed. When your arrangement is complete, bounce the track or export stems from routed outputs. If audio drops or plugins glitch, make sure buffer size and CPU load are optimized. Restart Logic or reload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.